Ever feel like moderating comments on your WordPress site takes forever? What if you could do it lightning fast, without ever touching your mouse? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to use keyboard shortcuts to speed up comment moderation in WordPress. A simple trick that can save you tons of time. Let's dive right in. First, from your WordPress dashboard, head over to Users greater than your profile. Now, scroll down until you find a section called Keyboard Shortcuts. You'll see an option that says Enable keyboard shortcuts for comment moderation. Check that box. And don't forget to click the Update Profile button at the bottom of the page to save your changes. Once that's done, the real magic begins. Go to your comments page in WordPress. Now, you can manage comments instantly using your keyboard. Here are some of the most useful shortcuts. Press J or K to move up and down through comments, hit A to approve a comment, press S to mark it as spam, hit D to move it to the trash, and if you change your mind, you will unapprove the selected comment. You can even use Shift plus any of these keys to perform the action on multiple comments at once. Perfect for when you've got a flood of them waiting for review. With these shortcuts, you can moderate comments at least twice as fast. No clicking, no scrolling, just pure efficiency. So next time your comment section gets busy, remember, your keyboard is your best friend. If you found this helpful, make sure to keep learning more WordPress tricks to make your workflow faster and smoother. Thanks for watching, and happy moderating.